So here we go, off the line, Ahmad Daham to lead. And Riyad Masali to give chase. And let me tell you a little secret about Ahmad Daham. In the break between practice and top 32, decided now would be the perfect opportunity to give this Lexus RCF V8 supercharged car just a little bit more horsepower, so he decided to add nitrous in the brake and took the car up the road, tuned it himself, and yeah, Ahmad Daham looking a lot more confident right now, to be fair. As you can see, big mistake from Riyad. And Ahmad Daham had a little power pick up to this Lexus in the brake. Nice lead run from Daham. A very scrappy chase from Riyad. Just a wheel drop there from Daham. Nothing too serious. Tries to gain proximity, does Riyad, but overcompensates. And then has to really work hard to try and get that car back on the side of that Lexus RCF, and then really starts to fall apart quickly as he transitions way too early. You can see him handbraking in a straight line there. Four-wheel straight as he clutch kicks around the hairpin. Very shallow angle. And then this big mistake once again as they come into outer zone, completely straight. Has to reinitiate and then almost over-rotates for the line. So there we go, body parts removed from Ahmad Daham's car. He is back out ready to rock and roll. So those guys pull back to the line. It now will be Riyad Al-Mabsali to lead out Ahmad Daham. Thumbs up all round. And the cameraman told to get out of the way. As we press the button, get that traffic light green, we are good to go. Oh, look at this. Aggression straight away from Daham as he jumps onto the back bumper of that Toyota Supra. Shallow angle though from Daham as he now tries to work out what Riyad Al-Mabsali is going to do. They come into out zone 2 and it's very, very scrappy from the lead driver as Mabsali struggles to put that Toyota Supra where it needs to be. Again, big handbrake drag, almost contact once again from Ahmad Daham. They get into it through the centre of the circuit. Big separation opens up as Daham gives Mabsali the room to make the mistakes. And Daham sticking to that qualifying line. The aggression on the initiation from Ahmad Daham was just incredible. Let's take a quick look back at this. Look at this, cuts right across the back of him and jumps onto the back bumper. And then realises very, very quickly that Mabsali maybe not as quick as what he assumed and not on that perfect qualifying line. And Ahmad Daham sticks with it and realises that Riyad Al-Mabsali is way off that qualifying line. He has to reassert himself, think about what he's doing. We can confirm, ladies and gentlemen, taking the win, moving through into the top 16 is Ahmad Daham.